Hello everyone, I'm Ankita Raut, and in this video I'm going to share a poem with you all. The poem's name is Have You Earned Your Tomorrow? The poem is quite straightforward and it's asking you, have you earned your tomorrow? Have you done something in your life to gain happiness and success? Now, in this poem, the poet is asking you questions, asking you whether you do something in your life to reach your goals, to attain happiness, or you just sit back and do nothing. This poem is written by the legendary poet Edgar Albert Guest. This is the second poem which I am covering from his. First poem was Don't Quit. That time I shared some info about him, but those who don't know, here is some info about Edgar Albert Guest. Edgar Albert Guest was a British-born American poet who became known as the people's poet. His poems often had an inspirational and optimistic view of everyday life. Guest was born in Birmingham, England on 20th August 1881. In 1891, his family moved from England to Detroit, Michigan, where Guest lived until he died at the age of 77. So, Edgar Guest was a British-born American poet. He was well known for his inspirational, optimistic poems. He was so famous, he was called the People's Poet. If you want to check out his other poem, Don't Quit, you can check it out. It's a very beautiful poem. And let's know today's poem. Have you earned your tomorrow? Is anybody happier because you passed his way? Does anyone remember that you spoke to him today? This day is almost over and its toiling time is through. Is there anyone to utter now a kindly word of you? The poet asks you, the entire day has passed. In the entire day, did you meet someone who was happy to see you, who had something nice to say about you? Or the entire day passed without you doing anything, or without anyone just, forgetting your existence or not wanting to see you? Do you put smile in someone's face, or you make people go like, oh my god, I don't want to meet this person? Did you give a cheerful greeting to the friend who came along, or a churlish sort of howdy and then vanished in the throng? Were you selfish, pure and simple as you rushed along the way, or is something mighty grateful for a deed you did today? Did you meet someone and you just brush them off, or did you make them happy? You make their day. People complain that others don't care about me, but a lot of times even we don't care about others. We expect other people to be nice to us, but we don't have the time to be nice to other people. Lot of times we just are so busy with our lives, or sometimes we just are not in the mood to be friendly with everyone. Occasionally it's understandable. Sometimes life comes in the way. Sometimes someone can be facing from a serious problem. You have to urgently go somewhere, or you have something bad happen to you, or emotionally down. But if you do this often, if you often kind of neglect your friends, if you always if someone friend is sad and it wants you to cheer him up, and you just, oh my god, bye, see you, how are you, bye, and you just leave, eventually time will come that friend will also not want to be with you. Friend will also be busy to be around you. See, people say, what goes around comes around. If you take people for granted, someday they will also start taking you for granted. Can you say tonight, in parting with the day that's slipping fast, that you helped a single brother of the many that you passed? Is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said? Does a man whose hopes were fading now with courage look ahead? Just like we are facing sadness and problems in our lives, other people are also facing problems. So if you are like, going somewhere or and just walking somewhere and you see someone you know and you just ignore them, or you just don't consider their feelings. Suppose they are sad. If you see your friend or someone close to you who is sad, you can clearly see they are upset about something. They want emotional support. Do you lend them that emotional support, or you just disregard their feelings? You know, if we want people to love us, if we want people to care about us, we have to care about them as well. We can't expect uh, other people to do nice things for us, but we don't do anything in return. We are always busy. You know, occasionally, if you are doing something, it's understandable. Suppose you have to urgently go somewhere and you see your friend is sad, and you don't have the time to give them support right now. Tell them, I will call you, I will message you, we'll meet again. And you actually go and call them, message them, or meet them. Ask them what is wrong with them, cheer them up, encourage them. You know, people are only going to care about you if you care about them. You should giving other people happiness is also key to happiness. You know, just thinking about your own happiness all the time, just being selfish, just focusing on your own goals, not taking other people's feelings for granted. You will not think about it right now, but in the long run you will feel very very lonely. you know did you waste the day or lose it? Was it well or sorely spent? Did you leave a trail of kindness or a scar of discontent? As you close your eyes in slumber, do you think that God would say, you have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today? In order to gain success in life, you have to do something to get successful. You cannot get success by doing nothing and just sitting and imagining. You have to put an effort. You have to do some work, help someone out. Give an effort to lead you to success. So if you want success, do you do something in the day? Do you work hard, or do you just sit around and do nothing? Do you give someone moral support, or you just disregard their feelings? When you close the eyes, when you're sleeping, when you close your eyes, you think about the entire day. Do you feel good about that day, or do you feel like you just wasted the entire day? Each day matters. We take days for granted. We think, there is tomorrow, there is always tomorrow, but maybe your tomorrow may never come. Maybe today is your last. Don't take things for granted. Don't take people for granted, and don't expect success to come towards you without putting any effort. Will not get happiness and success or reach your goals without doing anything. You have to earn your tomorrow. You have to earn your goals. Did you like this poem? It's a very simple, straightforward poem, but it questions you. It doesn't lecture you, but it just asks you question. Did you do something for someone? Did you make someone happy? Did you do something to get success? If the answer is yes, good. If the answer is no, you have to do something about it, you know. No, you cannot take things for granted, you know. Sometimes we just thinking about tomorrow, we just forget about today, you know. It's a very lovely poem. Did you like it? And now I have made a video with my bedroom background since people kind of didn't like my, you know, other, you know, uh, gray or black backgrounds, you know. I thought having a professional setup would make people make it more appealing, you know, since professional YouTubers have a, you know, some kind of background, nice background behind it. So I thought, you know, maybe a nice background would look very nice. But you know, I have asked two polls, and lot of people prefer the original simple bedroom background only. They like the simplicity of it, you know, nothing too complicated. So since people like the bedroom one, I will do it in the bedroom background. But occasionally I will, you know, do the some with, you know, the gray background or black background as well, because I spend a lot of money for that, for the stand and the backgrounds. So I don't want to feel like I wasted my money. So in between, if I suddenly feel like it, then sometimes I will use those backgrounds. But since people prefer the regular simple background of regular scene, I will keep it at that only. Most of my videos would be in bedroom, and occasionally I will use the stand, so I feel like I'm spending the money well. I'm happy people like this, you know, mic. I really like the, you know, audio quality of it. Uh, I can talk softly. You know, in the lav mic I had to be a little bit louder so my voice can be heard. Here I can like talk softly, and if I have to go very low, I can, you know, come closer. So it's helping me talk softly, and the audio is nice. And thank you all for your support. I'm happy that people are like responding to the polls and, you know, giving me their feedback. So thank you all for your support. And uh, you know, I've like decided that I will be not be able to make two videos a week. And it's very difficult. I initially thought I can easily make a regular video, poem video every week, but you know, sometimes it's difficult for me to cope with it. You know, I kind of ignore my Etsy shop and other things while doing this video. And since I don't earn any money from YouTube, I just don't want to spend all my time on YouTube. So sometime I will make two videos a week, you know, and for special occasions, something special happens, then I will make two videos. But on regularly, I will just prefer one video a week, and occasionally two videos. So every week I will have at least one video. So hope you all like this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.